Hello everybody, thank you for being in the lesson, and I would like to do a short go through the different steps to help you when you are practicing by yourselves. So first thing I will do, I will open the starting file which you received today. So you can just double click and it will open this one in Clo. You can skip. And just wait a second for it to load. Okay, so here we have the starting file. What you see on the screen on the left side, that's the 3D screen. And remember, when you click your mouse and hold, you can move around. And when you click on an object, go up is to move up, left and right. And if you want to move sideways, then you can also move your angle, and then you're able to move. Your gizmo will turn around with you to make it a bit easier. This circle with the arrows is called a gizmo. These circle lines is what you use to rotate, and it goes along in the direction. This one you will need later on when you are moving around your pattern pieces. Okay, so that was the first one. It was about the gizmo. For this assignment, we learned to work with pins. Then you can go to up here, the 3D garment, and you have a pin box. You click on it, and then you can click and drag, let go, click and drag, let go. And now when you simulate, which is this blue arrow, or tap spacebar, your pattern piece has been draped. And you can click tap spacebar and it will stop. If you would like to move these, you can move them as well. We are gonna move them to the top. And what you can do is pin them as well with the pin box. But you don't see it yet, that's correct, because they're frozen. So you can click your selection tool. If you click shift, you can select more things by clicking on them. I unfreeze. Okay, now I would like still to pin them. So I can also here select the pin box. So the pin box, you can select it here in the left side of the 3D menu, or you can go to the 3D garment and find pin box. Okay, now that I have my pin box, I can select these by clicking, dragging, and letting go. Clicking, dragging, let go, click, drag, let go. And if you see, if I click my blue arrow to simulate, the materials start to hang. Okay, click space to stop it. If I would like to change the draping to what it was originally, I can select my selector tool in the 2D window on this top, or in the 3D window here with the cross. I can click on the pattern, right click, reset to the arrangement. This way my pattern will go back to the shape it was. Right click, reset to the arrangement before draping. You can do it again, reset, right click, reset to the arrangement. So this is how you are able to select, move, and pin fabric in Clo 3D.